To create a coffee shop logo using Canva, follow these simple steps. Go to Canva and log in or create an account if you don't have one. On the home page, on the left sidebar, go to Templates and in the search bar, type coffee or coffee shop. Canva will show you a wide variety of pre-made coffee shop logo templates. Scroll through the available templates and choose one that fits the vibe of your coffee shop. Once selected, the logo template will appear on your canvas for customization. Change the text to reflect your coffee shop's name. Simply click on the existing text fields and replace them with your own. You can swap out any images or icons in the template. To do this, go to the Elements tab in the left sidebar and search for Coffee under Graphics. You'll find various coffee-related icons that you can drag into your design. Replace or resize them as needed. To match your branding, click on any text or graphic, and a toolbar will appear at the top to let you adjust colors, fonts, sizes, and other elements. You can change the color scheme of the entire design by clicking on any element and selecting a different color from the color tool. Once you're happy with the design, click the Share button in the top right and choose Download. Select your preferred file format. PNG or JPG are ideal for logos, and save your logo to your device.